This project encapsulates Kinsley. This is what we do. We go into a facility, they're purchasing a piece of equipment, but they don't know exactly how to get it in. They don't know exactly what's needed. And we work with them, develop a plan. We've got the workforce, the skill, the equipment to do it. My name's Rich. I'm the Vice President of the Northeast Maryland Industrial Office. Kinsley Construction served as the general contractor for the BW Paper Systems Mazak machine installation. This job encapsulated our turnkey abilities. We saw cut and removed the floor, excavated and poured the new foundation in, and we rigged in the new machine. What makes this project special is this is a 30, 40-year client. They came back to us and asked us to do this project based on the quality that we provided for them back on those previous projects.
We stand on quality, and I think we're the best around. I'm Nick. I work as a crew leader for the Kinsley Industrial Division down in Northeast Maryland. So when we walked in, we laid out the lines on the floor, got them snapped with chalk lines, and then we built our dust barrier walls to keep the dust in our area. And then we started the saw cutting process, which took probably a day and a half. And then the removal of the concrete and excavating of the dirt took a little longer because they infilled an old machine foundation with grout, and we had to remove that as an extra. After that was finished, we would lay in the rebar and tie it. And then we had to build the bolt pockets. There was 31 of them. So when they put the machine on the floor, they put the bolts down in the bolt pockets, and then we come back in and we grout them in.
This facility, where our concrete had to come in, it was their dock, and their dock is very busy on a day-to-day basis. So we just went in there real early one morning to pour the floor, get that done. Moving on from there, rigging in a new machine was a challenge. We're dealing with a ramp that's outside, but we have to bring a machine in level. So, the way we rigged this into the building, it was very challenging and wouldn't have been able to be accomplished without the team that was on site.
I'm Anthony. I'm the foreman for Kinsley Construction Industrial Division. My part in the BW project was to get all the equipment off the trailer. We had to unpack everything, get everything in the building piece by piece. So the main piece showed up, and then we had to uncrate it off the trailer. So once we got the rigging onto the crane, we flew it over top of the machine. They had lifting lugs on the machine for the cables to go around. So we put them around the lifting lugs, then put pressure on the machine itself to bring it off the trailer. Then we had to unbolt the machine from the frame, fly it over the door of the building, and then get the machine halfway in the building, sit it down on skates, then had our VersaLift from the outside. Once we picked it up with the VersaLift, let the crane down, put all the pressure onto the skates and the VersaLift forks, unrig the crane, then slowly fed it into the building with the VersaLift.
I think this project was successful because of the team we put on it. From start to finish, the concrete crew that went in there, they had challenges put in front of them and they excelled at them. We had the equipment and the team to successfully move a very expensive, very heavy machine in. I don't know what other contractor could do what we do. We can do it from dirt to done.